We had to take a break in our cooking because we were just so hungry, and it's going to take a little while. And actually, the quinoa was probably already ready. The quinoa was already ready, but the greens, everything else in it needs to take a little bit longer to cook. And plus, there was just too much water in it. So we really quickly made ourselves a bowl of oatmeal. Now, to make the oatmeal more tasty, we added cranberries in mine. We added raisins in his. We had a little bit of coconut flakes that we had. You know, we don't have much, but we're using the fumes to you know, little bits of this, little bits of that.
Side note, warning, do not breathe fumes. It's bad for you.
What?
You said fumes.
Running on fumes. Oh, I see. Okay, there's a joke to it. Got it.
But you don't actually eat fumes.
But the point was is that we can make
fumes to describe the fact that we're
it's a figure of speech. Yes. But the idea is that you take regular, like these are just plain old, very stale Cheerios, and I was like, and this is, you know, watered down rice milk, and it's like, okay, well, how do I make it taste yummier? Okay, I add a little bit of coconut sugar, and we add a little bit of coconut, we add a little bit of, I added some protein, I added pecans, because I like pecans, he prefers the almonds, so we added almonds to his, some chia seeds to both, some hemp seeds, oh, I think you forgot to add hemp seeds to yours.
I don't add hemp seeds anymore.
But if you...
I keep getting my teeth, they hurt my teeth whenever. Every now and then I find a really hard shell or something from one of the hemp seeds.
Oh yeah, the hemp.
Like,
for some reason, the brand that we have has hard shells in it.
Every now and then.
Yeah. But the point is, always keep chia seeds, always keep hemp seeds, always keep dried fruit, always keep little dried nuts, and then you could add it to. If you invest in that in the future. I mean, we probably bought all that stuff or got all that stuff. Maybe 6 months ago.
So we bought most 6 months ago.
Yeah, I bought most of it 6 months ago, or somebody was given to us 6 months ago. We actually we can't afford to buy our own groceries right now, so it was given to us about 6 months ago. But because we only use a sprinkle of it each time, you can take that expensive food item and add it. So once you buy all that expensive stuff, then you use the base stuff, and then. And then you can have really yummy.
A plus B equals yum.
It is yum. This is very yummy. I think the sugar helps a lot.
And this is just simple. Oats plus a few extra bits of raisins, berries. I think I had some sliced pecans in here.
But it's not a lot of sugar. It's not like like the amount of sugar that they would get in a cereal box. This is all bland stuff, but we added just enough just afterwards to add in that flavor taste.
Raisins was their high in the fructose content, so they're technically good for you, or at least better for you than glucose, anyways.
Yeah, fructose.
No, fructose is better for you than
glucose.
The other sugar. I think it's glucose. Yeah.
Table sugar. It's better for you than table sugar.
Better for you than table sugar is. And you get higher concentrations of fructose in stuff like raisins, which are dried grapes, of course. And so you get this little tiny sweet bite, which sweetens up the entire thing.
Yeah.
So if you just have, even if you just have one bite of raisin per every several bites, you get. And some of the things happen with cranberries. The cranberries add a nice bit of tart too.
Oh yeah, they do. I really like the cranberries, and the cranberries are good for you, and so are raisins, and so are nuts, and so are coconut flakes. So it's all so healthy and it's yummy. So yes, take a break, and when you're cooking, and if you can't wait till the food's cooked, and then later we'll go back to making the naan bread. Making more of that with healthy insides, vegetables from the garden. So subscribe so you can go see the other ones too. Yum.
Yum.
Check your posture. And as always,
thanks for watching. Remember to just breathe. Thank you.